answering some questions today about the Time Out Deep Waver and how I style my hair. So my friend Tracy here is asking for a tutorial, like on the basics. She's asking how I section my hair. And then she's also wondering how you get the waves to line up right. So let's talk about it. First off, this is how I slept last night, okay? I take all my waves and I twist it up and put it on top of my head, and I wear this French clip. And then I just fluff it back up. And so we are going to restyle this. But first I'm going to show you how I section my hair before using the tool. I need some like simple alligator clips. And sectioning is really important because if your hair is just parted down the middle and you just take this giant chunk and start waving it, you ain't gonna get the look you're going for, honey, okay? It's gonna be too frizzy, too big of chunks is gonna damage like the sandwich, right? It's gonna damage the hair on the top and the bottom, and you're not gonna heat up the hair on the inside. So sectioning is really important. Now everybody's heads are a little bit different, but I will show you what I do. I break my hair up into about 4 different sections. So I'm gonna take the top, right, like my mohawk. Do a little twisty poo, put your clip in there. Now you're gonna go down about 1 inch, okay? Because again, we don't want these sections to be too thick. So I'm gonna take 1 inch and I'm gonna slide my fingers all the way around my head. And take that section, twist it, clip it out of the way. And then I'm gonna go down 1 more, like about another peace sign amount, right? All the way back. So this is what it's looking like. You got this hair, section, section, section. You're gonna start at the bottom and work your way up. You're gonna apply your heat protectant all over down here. I don't really need to retouch this because it's the bottom and nobody's gonna see this part anyway. You're gonna drop the next section down. You're gonna spray your heat protectant and use your waver. I'm gonna show you how to line up your waves, and this is about where I would probably start refreshing my hair because like I said, I already have a lot of nice wave. I only need to touch it up. I don't need to redo my entire head. So we're gonna take the section that we're gonna be reheating and I'm gonna apply my heat protectant to both sides. And now the label, now I like to put the label upside down, okay, on the bottom, because I want my waves to go up first to create the most volume. With that label facing down, I'm gonna go close to my scalp. We're gonna clamp for the allotted time. Now, when we're moving down, we're gonna unclamp it. So you can see this wave I just put in there, right? So we're gonna go and line it up. See how, this is hard to show. See how this is going up? We want that to line up with this, okay? So that part was already in the tool, but we're gonna clamp down on that again. This is why heat protectant is so important, okay? Take it out, see that last kink there? This kink on the tool, we're gonna put that back, okay? So that our waves go continuously. Up and down and up and down and up and down. All right, one more time. We're gonna put this as close to your scalp as you can. I mean, it still gets warm, so be careful. But once it beeps, watch. See where that wave is right there? I'm gonna clamp down on that hair again. One more time. Release, slide down, and clamp again. And then you have a nice, consistent wave. Then the last part of the sectioning, once I get to my mohawk or the top, now I'm gonna take my sections, instead of continuing to go up this way, now I'm gonna go this direction, all right? This is gonna keep me from getting a kink on the top of my head where you see like people with like flat roots and then they have a wave. We're not gonna be doing that. And we're gonna take our section going this direction instead of this direction. Take another section, do it again. See what I did there by doing my mohawk section differently? Now these waves are all going different directions, so I don't have that flat spot anywhere on my head. You can literally part your hair anywhere and you don't have like a ridge, right? All right, so that is my sectioning tutorial and how to line up your Time-O so that you have nice consistent waves. But if you have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will link this baby down below for you. I hope you all have a fabulous big hair day.